your birthday, so I don't interrupt you. So I don't see why you must trouble me on the birthday.
Are you still on that?
Yeah, but I don't see why you must trouble me. I don't interrupt you when
Sorry,
you're doing
I
your
won't
birthday.
trouble any more of your birthdays.
Please, especially when it's your family.
Okay.
All right, so we are here to listen to some sounds, apparently, and identify what it is. So whoever grabs the bell first will be given the chance to answer. Why you put it there?
I'm making it equidistant.
Equidistant. So that not equidistant too? You know say. So Clark, you really never good at a good job. All right, run the first song. No, but you have to wait till you hear it before you grab the thing.
I heard it. I heard the ball fall in the gutter, fall in the lane that went down the alley, that hit down the pins that we've been hearing all through the break. One.
So your team.
Whenever I hear the ball though, we
Bowling
just hear the pins.
Bowling alley. One love shot of me. Come. The same bowling alley again. Oh, hold on. No. Wait, no.
Toilet flushing. Pipe running.
No, wait, no. No, but I don't understand this.
You're running them into each
Yeah,
other.
but you hold on to it first. That if you don't even hear nothing, now you grab the bell, so which means I can't reach the bell. Then you said bowling alley, and it wasn't a bowling alley.
It was, I said toilet flushing first.
No, you said bowling alley first. You said it's the same sound.
It was.
Right,
and
then you
they
said
played
bowling
this
alley.
right
No.
after, and I said,
You never did. Toilet, 1-1.
it's not 1-1, it's 2-1, and fix the bell properly.
Toilet. Oh.
No, that is some
It's
boat.
the same thing.
I want boat that out of ocean.
It's
with
the
one
same
bird.
thing.
That is a water sea. That is a bird.
Yeah, but another sound that did hear first.
Out into the nature. No?
Out into which particular nature?
Like a 3. Oh, it's a house.
Oh, you never get
See?
it. No.
But it's a bird. Never. It's a bird out into the nature.
How you
in
know
a
it's
tree.
nature that?
Then a tree is not nature. Come, guys, you have to give me that point. Don't be like that. Oh, that's when you press
Hold
a
on,
pen.
that's not the sound.
Isn't
But
it?
we are talking now.
Isn't that when you push the pen point?
Mr. Clark? No, but hold on. No.
You gotta be sharp.
While we are talking, she grabbed it.
Because she... See how she's smart? She just...
I'm frightened. This. You nearly give me a heart attack.
That was a very skillful negotiation.
What is
I
that?
have to wait until your
But you
fingers
don't
were
know.
not clasped.
You don't know is what?
Wait, vacuum cleaner. Wait, no, the one before
No.
Wait, the one before was
Hair
like a-
dryer.
Oh, blow dryer could be.
Oh,
What
blow
about the
dryer.
one before?
Yeah, I prefer blow dryer.
Wasn't the one before like a plate crashing up? Oh!
What?
I just said it.
What?
I just got my point.
I never even hear that because you talk. It's just a talk.
Point.
Hold on now.
Give me a point.
Let me not say blow dryer already.
Is it? I was going to say a vacuum cleaner. So you did not get it. Can you put the people in the back of the table, please? I was going to say a vacuum.
You actually did say it.
Oh.
Yeah, when them cuckoo chicken,
More precisely,
Whatever.
it's a
cock.
It's a cock.
No, I prefer cock. It's a cock.
Oh, it's a head.
No, but hold on. No. I didn't write first because I said chicken. And it's chicken. We got there, man. News in 5 when we come back. I was right. I said chicken and it's a chicken.